welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. Today I have a 2-minute tip for you about how to easily adhere delicate die cuts, no mess, no fuss, really easy method for you. So let's dive in. Now I've already pre-cut this Folklore die cut from Pinkfresh. You can see it's really delicate, and normally we spend ages adding little dots, or maybe we've got pre-adhesive and there can be issues to weed. It can be a little bit difficult. So I have a super simple method for you. Kitchen towel. This is just post-it tape from where I die cut it, so nothing special on there. And I die cut it out of some Hues lilac cardstock. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Nuvo glue pen. This is the wide version. Just make sure it's nice and ready and primed. If it's the first time you've used it, you just kind of hold the nib down until the glue saturates the nib and it goes blue. All we're then going to do is we're just going to use it like a highlighter. And we're going to go all over. And it looks blue when you first put it on, but it dries clear. Sometimes if it's super delicate like this one, you might do dabs. But you're just going to make sure you go all over. See how easy this is? No fuss, no mess. And it's kitchen towel, so afterwards we can throw it away. Which, that's my favourite word. No mess, no clear up. Greg likes those words too, because it means he has no clear up. Because he has to help clear up after those videos. So we're just going to go over, make sure we've caught all of those areas. And you can see when you've caught everything. So as I say, it goes on slightly kind of milky and blue, and then when it dries completely clear. So if you get any excess and any splodges, it's going to dry clear. And you can use it on words and things, just like a highlighter pen. So if you have thicker areas, I tend to use it like a highlighter. But I chose an extreme to show you how easy this method is. I have a piece of black Hero Hues over here ready to go. So I'm just going to pick this up. And now I'm going to layer this on top, and it's going to be a tight squeeze because it is exactly the same size. But I'm not going to worry because I'm not really going to use this. This is just to show you. So I've laid it on top. I'm going to take that same piece of kitchen towel and I'm just going to fold it up and I'm going to pat. So don't use your fingers because trust me, that creates mess. Use the same piece of kitchen towel, but use the other side because that glue does not soak through. And you're just going to rub down. Rub, and you have stuck that down. You see there is no ooze, there is no mess, there is no stickiness, and I have that stuck down. Wasn't that just the simplest way ever? I have no clear up, this goes in the trash, and I am done. That is today's 2-minute tip, and honestly, I use this all the time. This is my favorite glue pen in the world because I can do delicate die cuts, I can do words, I can do so many different things with it, and they last forever. I mean, one of these will last me months and months and months, and you know how much I craft because I do daily videos. So that is today's 2-minute tip. I hope you found it useful. I hope you're going to grab one for your craft room. I think you will love this tip. And if you're a Channel Perks member, then of course you can save 10% every single day at Tonic Studios too, plus a ton of other companies, free shipping, $5 off, £5 off, depending where you're based. Lots and lots of savings on your crafty purchases. And if you're not a Channel Perks member, well, you're missing out on those crafty savings. Hit the join button, and when you hit that subscribe button and you ring that bell, or if it's not there, I know it depends on the device, there's a link in the video description next to that supply list. Hit the join link and start saving today and reaping all those benefits of being a Channel Perk member. Hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's 2-minute tip. I will be back tomorrow with more tips, tricks, tutorials, hauls, and so much more. We have daily videos here at Hedgehog Hollow. I hope you'll join me again tomorrow for some fun videos. See you again soon. Happy stamping. Bye.